Greetings, Quantum Questers. Welcome to another fascinating journey on our channel. Here, we dive deep into the enigmatic realms of the cosmos, unraveling complex ideas in a way that's both enlightening and entertaining. Today, our adventure takes us into the imaginative universe of science fiction, where we'll explore how alien life forms have evolved over the years. From humanoid creatures to the most mysterious beings, we'll traverse the diverse landscape of extraterrestrial encounters. So buckle up as we blast off on an intergalactic journey through the ages of science fiction. Our journey begins in the early 20th century, where the concept of alien life first took root in the human imagination. This era brought forth a wave of science fiction that dared to envision the existence of life beyond our planet. One of the most iconic examples from this time is H.G. Wells' groundbreaking novel, War of the Worlds. Published in 1898, the book introduced the world to the concept of an alien invasion. The Martians, as Wells described them, were not only extraterrestrial, but extremely hostile, reflecting the prevalent fears and anxieties of an era marked by rapid technological progress and global tensions. These early narratives were often laced with a sense of dread and apprehension, a reflection of the uncertainties of a world on the cusp of great change. The alien creatures were typically portrayed as threats, representing the unknown and the other, underlining the human tendency to fear what we do not understand. However, as we ventured further into the 20th century, our understanding of the cosmos began to expand. We realized that our universe was far vaster and more diverse than we had ever imagined. This newfound knowledge sparked a transformation in how we perceived and depicted alien life. As our understanding of the universe expanded, so did our depiction of alien life forms. I'll fast forward to the mid-20th century, a period often referred to as the golden age of science fiction. This era was a veritable petri dish of ideas, spurred by groundbreaking scientific discoveries and the advent of space exploration. The discovery of DNA's double helix structure in the early 50s revolutionized our understanding of life as we know it. This discovery inspired a shift in the portrayal of extraterrestrial beings in science fiction. No longer were they merely fantastical creatures, they became entities with plausible biological systems often based on our own genetic coding. Writers began to explore the concept of panspermia, the theory that life on Earth could have originated from microorganisms or chemical precursors of life present in outer space and brought here by meteorites. Simultaneously, the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, in 1957, ignited a fascination with space travel and the possibility of encountering alien civilizations. This space race between superpowers sparked an explosion of science fiction narratives that reflected the political and scientific zeitgeist. Classic works from this period like The Day the Earth Stood Still and Star Trek took these ideas and ran with them. The Day the Earth Stood Still, a 1951 classic, used an alien visitor as a mirror to reflect on humanity's self-destructive tendencies, a poignant commentary during the Cold War period. On the other hand, Star Trek, which debuted in 1966, presented a utopian vision of a future where diverse species coexist and cooperate for the betterment of all. These works weren't just about entertainment. They were about exploration, about pushing the boundaries of our understanding, about asking what if. They reflected society's hopes and fears for the future, and they challenged us to think differently about life beyond our own planet. These groundbreaking works laid the foundation for more complex and diverse representations of alien life. They set the stage for a narrative tradition that continues to evolve, to question and to dream of the infinite possibilities of life in the universe. In the late 20th and early 21st century, our understanding of alien life has become more nuanced and sophisticated. As our scientific knowledge expanded, so did the breadth and depth of our portrayals of extraterrestrial life. Take, for instance, the sentient machines in The Matrix. Here, we see a radical departure from the anthropomorphic aliens of yesteryears. These beings are not biological organisms, but artificial intelligence. They challenge our very definition of life, forcing us to ponder whether consciousness and not carbon-based biology is the true marker of life. Then there are the aquatic beings in the abyss. These aliens, living in the depths of our own oceans, remind us that life might exist in environments we once considered inhospitable. They're not just extraterrestrial, they're also extra-dimensional, capable of manipulating water in ways that defy our understanding of physics. And let's not forget the heptapods in Arrival, who communicate through complex circular symbols, challenging our linear perception of time and language. Or the Trisolarans in The Three-Body Problem, whose survival depends on adapting to the chaotic climate of a three-star system, highlighting the role of environment in shaping life forms. These modern depictions of alien life push the boundaries of our imagination. They're not just green-skinned humanoids with antennae, but a vast array of beings that defy our preconceived notions of what constitutes life. They can be silicon-based creatures, sentient machines, aquatic beings, or even multidimensional entities. In these narratives, we see a reflection of our growing understanding of the cosmos. They echo our scientific explorations, from the search for habitable exoplanets to the study of extremophiles on Earth. They mirror our philosophical debates about consciousness, language, and the nature of life itself. These modern narratives invite us to consider the infinite possibilities of life in the universe. They remind us that we are but a small part of a vast cosmic tapestry, and our understanding of life is constantly evolving, just like the universe itself. As we look to the future, the portrayal of alien life in science fiction continues to evolve. A new wave of narratives is emerging, discarding the shackles of traditional biological life forms. These stories envision non-carbon-based entities, beings that challenge our very understanding of what it means to be alive. We're seeing silicon-based creatures, energy beings, and even digital consciousness reflecting our own society's increasing entanglement with technology. At the same time, these narratives often serve as a mirror, reflecting our evolving understanding of the universe and our place within it. As our scientific knowledge expands, so too does the breadth of our imagination. We're beginning to contemplate extraterrestrial life not just as a possibility, but as a probability. So as we gaze into the cosmos, we find ourselves asking, what new forms might life take? What strange and wonderful beings might we encounter in the vastness of space? In the realm of science fiction, the possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos itself. As we conclude our journey, it's clear that our understanding and depiction of alien life has come a long way. We've traversed the timeline of science fiction, witnessing the transformation of aliens from simple humanoid figures to intricate and diverse beings that challenge our very definition of life. The influence of scientific discovery on these portrayals cannot be understated either. As our knowledge expands, so too does the complexity of our extraterrestrial characters, reflecting our evolving theories on habitable exoplanets and the potential for non-carbon-based life forms. And let's not forget the future trends in the portrayal of alien life. As we stand on the precipice of new discoveries, we can only imagine the captivating and thought-provoking representations yet to come. Thank you for joining us on this intergalactic journey. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious, Quantum Questers.